Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of the Mail app on your iPhone. Since the Mail app doesn't have a traditional log out button, the way to disconnect an email account is by removing it from your device. Don't worry, this does not delete your actual email account, just removes it from your phone. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Mail. Then tap Mail Accounts. You'll see a list of every email account currently connected to your iPhone. Tap the account you want to sign out of. Once you're on the account settings page, tap Delete Account at the bottom. Confirm when asked. This will remove that email account from the Mail app, along with any associated services like contacts and calendar. Again, your real email account stays active, you're just disconnecting it from your phone. If you ever want to add this email back, you can return to the Mail Account section and tap Add Account to reconnect it. And that's it! You've successfully logged out of the Mail app on your iPhone. If this helped you out, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and comment below what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.